This is Awka Stadium inside the Awka Solution Fun City. Let's take you around the stadium and show you what it looks like. This stadium was initiated, completed, and commissioned on March 28, 2021 by Chief Willie Obiano, the then governor of Anambra State. This stadium was recently demarcated from the popular Solution Fun City. Before, I think this stadium has 2 or 3 entrances, but after the demarcation, it has been left with just only one entrance. So I'm going to take you around this stadium today to see all the angles, all the views, everything you need to see about the stadium, the size, the remaining, the landmarks of the stadium and the rest of them. The first time I gained access inside this stadium, I was standing only on that auditorium to capture my previous video. That time I was thinking maybe that the stadium is quite small. The landmarks left with the stadium was quite small then, but this my last visitation changed my thought, because I have to walk around the whole vicinity, and I noticed that the stadium is still quite big and it can as well contain extra auditorium. from the looks of things. So I'm gonna be showing you everything, even down to the entrance gate, the only entrance gate that is left for the stadium. I will take you there and you see the view of the entrance gate, how it looks like, the way it's structured. Actually, the design of that entrance gate has almost the same design with that of the solutions for Fun City, just a minor different though, but almost the same design, but just minor different. I will take you there, you see everything for yourself. Then the fence you are seeing currently is the fence that is demarcating the stadium with the solution Fun City. So if you get to that back, you're gonna be seeing everything for yourself. The only thing I'm seeing that is lacking on this stadium currently is the lights that used to be the light maybe for night activities or whatever, but maybe they don't currently use the stadium during night stuff or whatever, so the light is not currently there, though the one of the pole one of the pillar for the light has been installed, but the other one is not yet installed. So you're going to be seeing the whole view, everything about the stadium and the sizes. So from the looks of things, like I said earlier, the stadium is still gonna contain extra auditorium from the way I'm seeing everything. So watch this video too and see everything for yourself. And if you have any other comment to make about the stadium, kindly drop them via comment section, or maybe you have more information about it more than the one you have here, you can also drop them via the comment section. And don't forget to sub to the channel, click on the like button and then click on the share button in order to for the video to get to others. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to continue watching the video to see the whole view for yourself, including the entrance gate. I promise to show you guys everything is contained in this video. It's a full tour of the stadium.